Welcome to Vital Code. Today I will tell you how to increase or decrease eyes size and rotate eyes. First of all, we go to Google and type unsplash.com. From this website we can use free copyright images for our commercial projects. I searching here, girl. I am taking this image. I download this image. Now look this image into Photoshop. We convert image to smart object by clicking right and click convert to smart object. Next go to filters and click on liquify. Now, new panel will be open. We can adjust eye size from these arrows. Wow, it's amazing. The size of eye is increased. Thanks Adobe engineers. We can also adjust by face-aware liquify properties. We also rotate eyes from this tilt option. We can also increase or decrease size, height and width. We can change eye distance. Now you can off the smart object liquify layers and see the difference. That's good.